Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Facebook post in Meta Business Suite. If you're using Meta Business Suite and you want to create a post to your page, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and here in your browser, just simply open Meta Business Suite. So let's say I want to search for here Meta Business Suite, and you can directly open it from here, or you can also open your Facebook, and from your Facebook, just select your page. Here's my page on Meta Business Suite. I'm gonna open it in Meta Business Suite. Here, just click on these three dots, and you can click on View Meta Business Suite. You can also click on this profile icon and click on Meta Business Suite from here. Or you can also do the same thing from your home page, like in this section. I'm gonna click from here. Just click on Meta Business Suite, and it will be opened here. Now, in this section, you can select your page and then click on try out, or in this section it will directly open to your page. Now you just have to click on this create post option. Here, just wait for a few seconds until it's load. Now in this section you have to select where you want to post. Just click on this section, and now you just have to select your Facebook page, your Instagram account. Just enable this checkbox or this tick mark to select that page. I will only select my this page. And now you can add your photos or videos in this section. Just click on it. It will open in your this VC section. You can add them from here. Now here you can add text. So in this, for example, I'm gonna enter something like this. Here you can also get a preview that how will your post look like, and then just scroll down. You can add emojis, locations, and multiple things from here. Then you can add up action button. Just click on this button, and you can select send message, send WhatsApp message, or call now button to your this post. Now you can also make this schedule if you want to set date and time and share it later. And just scroll down. You can also enable this toggle to send to Facebook public story. Now it will be sent to Facebook public story, and from here you can select your privacy setting, like only for public, or only for subscriber, or only for some restrict public from here. Once you have done, just click on publish, and your post will be published to your channel. So using this method, you can easily create a post on Meta Business Suite. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.